Oh, Blake, we turn this fan off. I know you're not gonna be able to tell this is all wet. Still a little bit over here. But this is one of those places, one of those condos on Weave Court. Man, you know how these tiles get? Holy cow, bro. Still a little wet. That's the VLM. Shit, the camera's picking up color that I can't see with the naked eye. This was all black. Fairly quick too with my process. And you know how these rooms, especially the downstairs rooms, always really bad. This one wasn't horrible, but this entryway was beat up. Man, look at that. Oh, stairs. Check out the stairs. They were freaking black. Hell yeah, dude.